Hello there, I'm here to help you get started with mining Garlicoin really quickly. First, you'll need your wallet, which will serve as your address book for transactions and will help you keep track of where your Garlicoins are. Second of all, you're going to want your miner, which is actually going to be doing the muscle work for, actually mining your Garlicoin. First thing we're going to want to do is head over onto the website, garlicoin.io, link in the description, and click Get Started. And then click Garlic Recipes by Pandawan. To get your wallet, we're going to want to go and click this wallet over here. Pick the one that's needed for your setup. If you've got a Linux, obviously pick Linux. Mac, pick Mac. But personally, I'm on Windows. I like using the Garlium wallet. I've already got this downloaded. So you're going to want to go through the installation process. There is going to be a small hiccup though when you try to download it on Windows. It's going to say that this is an unknown file from an unknown publisher, and it's going to try and block you from actually downloading it. So I'm on Windows 10 right now. I'll show you how to go ahead and get past that. Alright, so it's popped up. A little Windows Defender smart screen thing has prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Running this app might put your PC at risk. To do that, click More Info and click Run Anyway. Then it's going to go and put you through the installation process. Alright, so we're going to create a new wallet called YouTube. And we just want a standard wallet, create a new seed, standard, and then you're going to want to go and memorize or, copy down these 12 words. And you want to go ahead and keep this, safe. And then it's going to ask you to type it again over here. And then it will ask you to create a password to go ahead and lock it with. You want to go ahead and remember all of that. I've already got this installed, so it's not really important for me to do. Alright, so then after that's all done, you will have your Garlicoin wallet. I'll go ahead and show you what mine looks like right now. This is my wallet, and your wallet will look somewhat similar, except all this will look empty for you. This send page is where you're going to go and send Garlicoin to somebody. This receive page is going to be like your active addresses to see how people can send Garlicoin to you. And this is like all of the addresses that are available to you for the time being. Alright, so now that we've got that set up, we're actually just going to go ahead and copy one of these addresses. You just want to go ahead and copy one of the addresses that you've got listed here, this one. And we'll click the little copy button, copy text to clipboard, and we're going to go ahead and get our miner now. We're going to return back to garlicoin.io, get started, garlic recipes, and we're going to go over to mining. Now you want to also pick the one that's appropriate for you. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you obviously want to pick the NVIDIA graphics card. AMD for AMD. Linux, that's a little bit more advanced. If you've got something else, then you could obviously also pick the CPU miner, and that will be able to be used on all platforms. Since I've got an NVIDIA graphics card, I'm going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to download the necessary files. So this pool miner, this one right here, you're going to want to download it. I'm opening it in a new tab. If you have a 64-bit system, you want the one titled x64. But if you've got a 32-bit system, you want the one titled x86. So since I've got a 64-bit system, I'm going to go ahead and download that. And you're going to want a file archiver, so something like 7-zip or that other one that people get, WinRAR. There we go. You want either WinRAR or 7-zip to be able to unarchive it. I like using 7-zip. And then it's going to go and lead you to, oopsie daisy. You're going to go and extract it to a file or to a folder like this, and you're going to end up with something looking very similar to this. Next, to set up your miner, we're going to go ahead and create a new file, and we're going to call it, oops, that's a folder. We're going to call it Run Miner Pool NVIDIA. And we're going to also make it a .bat file. So to do that, very simple, just .bat and then delete the .txt. If you've got file extensions disabled, you might have to go and look up a separate tutorial to do that. So now we have changed it from a .txt file to a .bat file, which is pretty cool. Now to actually still edit it, we want to go and right mouse click and edit. We're going to go and put in this thing over here. I'm going to copy this, paste it in here. Now you can see two words in here that we need to change. We've got pool, which is going to be the pool mining system that we're going to go and, work in, and the address, which is your address, which you get from your Garlicoin thing. We're going to go back over here to our wallet, copy from the clipboard again, and paste it here. And then for the pool, I'll show you how to do that. This is the list of available pools that you'll be able to go and participate and mine in. Right now, I'm currently using garlic-bakery.fun, but you, of course, can go ahead, look at each of their websites, and see what works for you. So we're going to go ahead and copy the address, bring it back over here to the page, replace the word pool with the address, and then we're going to save. All right, cool. Now that we've saved it, I clicked Control S just to do that. I'm actually going to go and run this to see what you should be expecting. It's going to go ahead and do a little setup over here. It's going to be doing a little bit of a, what do you call it? Yeah, a setup. That's it. Auto-tuning over to here. And you'll know when it is successful because it's going to have a bunch of lines showing up saying yes, exclamation point, and it's going to be green. So we'll wait for that to start up. All right, and now our graphics card is mining Garlicoin. So what this means over here is that you have worked a share, you've actually worked a part, and it has accepted your work as valid. And it's also going to show up here with a little timer symbol eventually that you have, successfully mined Garlicoin. Now, it's not going to show up instantly. It's going to take 100 blocks in order for your Garlicoin to actually be counted as valid. So if we just leave this over time, it's going to show up over here, and then you'll have successfully mined Garlicoin. If you have any questions, I will not be answering any of them. Go and check the Garlicoin Discord, link in the description.